Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Redmi Note 10 Pro. Okay, for that we will have three ways for. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons. So we will need the power button for and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just for short together and you will have a screenshot as you can see here at the preview. One more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together and you will have a screenshot. If you tap now here on the preview, you're also able to crop a part maybe of the screenshot. If you want to crop here the Google bar, it is possible like this. Go here on save and the edited part will be part of your gallery. The second way to take a screenshot is just scroll down here and then you will have here the symbol with the scissor in it. It is also a way to take a screenshot as you can see. And the third way is a very nice way you can use three fingers for. If you swipe three fingers down the screen, you will have a screenshot as well. So one more time, take three fingers, swipe them across the screen, and you will have a screenshot as well. And pretty cool is if you go with the three fingers on the screen and hold them, you have the opportunity to crop a part of the screenshot. Perfect for pictures of websites and so on. And now you have just a part as you can see. And then just go on save and it will be also part of your gallery. You should really try it. In a gallery, so there are the pictures, of course, and here you have to take care because at the photos, you cannot see your screenshots. You have to go here on the category albums, and here the screenshots have also their own folder. So very nice. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.